In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile accounts in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to enter, so your books line up with your bank statement. Reconciliation is all about confirming that what's in Zoho Books matches what your bank shows. So have your latest bank statement handy for reference. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard and head to the banking section. This is where all your connected bank and card accounts live. Opening banking lets you see recent feeds, balances, and the activity you'll compare against your statement. Make sure you're looking at the correct account you want to reconcile. The options you choose next will apply to the account currently in view. Next, look for the settings icon for that account. It typically appears as a small gear near the account's name or balance. Clicking this opens account-specific actions that relate to maintenance and review. Think of it as the control center for cleanup tasks rather than day-to-day categorization. From that menu, choose Reconcile Account. This takes you into Zoho's reconciliation workflow. Unlike categorizing transactions, reconciliation is a formal check that confirms your book balance against the bank's reported balance for a defined date. Entering through this option ensures you're working within the proper tool and preserves a clear audit trail. On the reconciliation page, click Reconcile Now. This begins a new reconciliation session. Zoho will prepare the period based on your account's activity and get you ready to verify the key figure from your statement. It's normal for this screen to summarize where things stand before you provide the final number from the bank. When prompted, enter the closing balance. This is the ending balance printed on your bank statement for the date shown on screen. Type it exactly as it appears, including cents. If your statement uses a different date format or includes pending items, rely on the official statement figure rather than the online running balance. Small typos here can create a difference later, so it's worth double checking the amount matches your statement's ending balance for that period. Finally, click Start Reconciliation. Zoho will open the reconciliation view where you'll see the transactions for that period and the difference, if any, between your book balance and the bank's closing balance. From here, you can review your list with confidence, knowing you launched the process correctly and are working with the right number. Your goal in this view is simply to get the difference to zero by confirming what cleared on the bank side. That's it for starting a clean reconciliation in Zoho Books. Follow these steps each period to keep your accounts accurate and audit ready.